in a commercial environment. We have about 25 linear metres of guttering stretching up just above 6 metres, and if we glimpse up there we can see the grass extending beyond that. It is a commercial style guttering, so it's going to be a bit deeper than normal. We have the survey cam set up, so we're going to put the camera system up, give you a view through, we're using a handheld DJI, through the DJI, try and pick up the monitor. Often it's a bit hard to see camera through camera, but we'll give you a glimpse upstairs. We'll run along, have a quick inspection, and then we'll fire up the interceptor and do some gutter cleaning. So we're just carrying out a surveillance with the survey cam, and majority of the gutter's quite clean, so just around the downpipes where the water is flowing to, I'll call it a herb garden. So there's quite a lot of grass and debris, which we mud, that is stuck in the gutter, both around the downpipes. So from my screen on the survey cam, I'm getting a fantastic view, and we're going to fire up the interceptor and just pull that grass out at those low point locations. Follow us through. We'll do some gutter cleaning. So, a little bit windy today, and I've got the sun glare right in my eyes. We'll pull out some of this herb garden. About 7 metres up. The vacuum dump on this is quite good. You can just dump that straight to the ground. Even grass up on the roof there. The interceptor is quite portable and allows us to carry out these tasks. Different kit heights. We've got a gutter bracket there. Go up and around, we'll come back in. We can just drop that straight to the ground. A few rocks up there, probably a few roof screws. We'll work our way around some bracketry up there. Some bits of iron that have been screwed onto the gutter. It's like going fishing. You get a bite, you get a reward. We take that one home. We're listening to the vacuum. I can feel everything flying through. We can just pull that garden out. working our way. Clouds coming over now. The glare's gone a little bit. We've got another bite. What have we got? Oh, disappeared on us. Thought it was going to be a good one. Those gutter brackets are quite unusual. So here we go. Quite heavy. God, comes through like a rocket. The survey cam is a fantastic bit of kit, but in saying that, the real-time camera and the new recordable camera are also great items. Quite a bit of mud, and that's why we're getting that grass growing up there. I feel the poles are quite heavy, so we'll give them a good flush and a good clean after this. And that good gutter bracket again. Weather's changing in Melbourne. See a front coming through at the moment, so if you're unaware in Melbourne, if you don't like the weather, they say we wait 5 minutes for it to change. So I hope this gives you a bit of an understanding of carrying out a bit of gutter cleaning at height. There is a bit of grass on the end here, so we'll flick around and pull that out as well. Hope that was a good overview. So in that particular job, we came out quite easy. So it was dirty around the downpipes. We were able to pick that up with surveillance. So Skyvac do offer quite a large range of electric and then the petrol interceptor gutter vacuum high dusting equipment to accompany this. You can see all the information at skyvacaustralia.com.au. We do appreciate you watching. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Blue Tongue Industries. So there's quite a number of different videos there in relation to vacuuming and vacuuming systems, and also our ionic systems equipment in regards to window cleaning, pure water and RO systems. Stay safe, and we'll catch you on the next video.